Hello, Dolene. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Very good. Okay, so what did you do?
Chị có cần phải in ra không? Đúng rồi. Thế thì
Did you sleep? Did you watch
No,
TV?
no.
theo em là chị nên trẻ
I practice piano.
Wow, nice, Dolene. Okay, how's the weather in your place right now, Dolene?
Sunny.
Great. You look so beautiful, Dolene. I couldn't remember a time that you don't look beautiful when you join our class. And you look so clean with your hair like that too. Okay, anyway, Dolan, I remember last time that I told you that you're going to prepare to to share your weekly timetable. So just like what I told you last week, weekly timetable is your schedule every week. Okay, so since today is Saturday, let's talk about the things that you did this morning and you're gonna do for the whole day today. Okay, so here, Dolin, what did you do this morning?
I go to eat breakfast
Very good. What else?
and then I practice piano.
Okay, practice piano. Great. How about after you practice piano, what will you do?
I play.
Play. Nice. Okay. Now, what about tomorrow? Tomorrow is Sunday. What are you gonna do tomorrow?
I go to church
Very good. What time do you go to church?
at at 8 o'clock.
Very nice. So after church, what do you do?
I study English.
Very good. Okay, now give me one thing that you do for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Only one thing.
Monday, I practice piano. On
Very
Tuesday, I
good.
study English. On Wednesday, on Wednesday, I I I play.
Nice.
On Thursday, um, drawing.
Great.
Mm,
What about on Friday?
On Friday,
Do you go shopping?
on Friday, I go to shopping.
Go shopping. Wow, that's really great, Dolan. So in here, Dolan, you know the things that you do every week. And with this one, okay, this is a good practice for you to plan out all the things that you want to do every week, and so that you can easily manage your time. That is the purpose of weekly timetable. And of course, do not forget what should be done and what shouldn't be done yet. Okay. But in here, one thing that we lack is the time. But I'm not going to be very strict with the time because you already know the things that you usually do every week. Okay, so great job for that one, Dolin. So you have this one big happy star. Okay, now, Dolin, let's move on with that. Today, we're going to get started with Unit 4. It's all about at home. So let's learn the new word. Look, listen, and repeat.
Bat.
Bat.
Great.
Blanket.
Blanket.
Very
Laptop.
good.
Laptop.
Nice. What kind of bat is this, Dolan? Is it a baseball bat?
It's word for baseball.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's for baseball.
Yes. Okay. So we use the bat when we play baseball. Okay. And we have in here a blanket. When do we use a blanket, Dolan?
When we go to sleep.
That's right. Do you use a blanket every time you go to bed?
Mm. It's not always.
Very good. Okay, so we only use a blanket when it's cold and when we go to bed. Okay, now look, we have here a laptop. Are you using a laptop right now, Dolin?
No.
All right, what are you using?
I'm using iPad.
Nice. Okay, now let's learn more. Listen and repeat.
Comic.
Comic.
Very good.
Map of the world.
Map of the world.
Nice.
Cage.
Cage.
Great. Okay, so a comic is a kind of book that has many pictures in it. And most of the children love to read a comic because less words but more pictures so that they can easily picture out what the story is all about. Because the nature of the children is they prefer looking at the pictures than reading. And they easily learn the story by looking at the picture instead of reading. Do you like reading comic, Dolin?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Now look, we have here the map of the world. The map of the world is the biggest map of all because you can see the seven continents and the five oceans in the world. Do you know the seven continents in the world, Dolin? What are the seven continents? We have Asia. This is where Vietnam and Philippines belong to. Okay, what else? We also have Europe, such as the United Kingdom, Germany. Do you know that? Okay, so in here, let me tell you all the seven continents. We have Asia, Europe, North America, South America. We also have here Africa. Then Australia or Oceania. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then lastly, we have Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents in the world. So if you're going to look at the map of the world, the biggest and the largest continent is Asia. In Asia, there are many countries: Vietnam, Philippines, Korea, China, what else? Thailand. Yeah, many different countries in Asia. And we all belong in Asia. I mean, you and me belong in Asia, but other people belong in other continents, not just in Asia. But Asia is one of the 7 continents. Okay, now look, we have here a cage. What is a cage, Dolin?
Cage is for as for a small animals live in there.
That is right. Most of the animals, we put it in a cage. We have different cage like bird cage, hamster's cage, what else? Dog's cage, which is quite bigger than the bird's cage. Do you have a cage at home?
No.
All right. Okay. Now let's look at this one. We have here,
Helmet.
Helmet.
very good.
Plant.
Plant.
Nice.
Shower.
Shower.
Very good. Okay, now I want you to look at the helmet, Dolan. Why do we use a helmet?
To to um, to protect the hair.
All right, to protect our head. And of course, the hair too. But most importantly, it is the head. Because inside our head, our brain is located there. So for every accident, if our head would be in danger, then that means it truly affects to how we think, how we move, because our brain is right here in our head. And that is the purpose of the helmet, just like what you said, to protect the head. Okay, now look, we have here plant. I can see a plant behind you. Is that a real plant?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Okay, and we have here a shower. Okay, so do you have a shower at home, Dolan, or a bath?
A shower.
Very good. Thank you for that, Dolan. Now, let's learn more. Listen and
Towel.
say.
Towel.
Very good.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Nice.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Great job. Now, look, we use a towel after taking a shower to dry our hair and body. Now, we also have a toothbrush. So, a toothbrush and toothpaste are always pair. We cannot use a toothbrush without this toothpaste, and we cannot use a toothpaste without a toothbrush. So they always come together. Okay, now, do you know this brand, Dolin? Do you have a toothpaste like this in Vietnam?
No.
Ah, okay. Thank you for sharing that. Now, in here, let's check the words. Are you ready to play with me?
Yes.
Okay, so this game is all about furniture and fittings. So you choose a key to unlock the door. Let's get ready. Okay, now what's this?
A bird cage.
Very good. So what key would you like to use to open the door?
Green.
Very nice. Now I'm gonna ask you, why did you choose green key? Because,
Because I like the green color.
wow, nice. You're very lucky because you've got 3 points from choosing the green one. Now look, what this?
The arm sofa.
Yes. Okay, but I want you to say armchair.
Armchair.
Very good. So which key would you like to choose?
Red.
Wow. Now tell me, why do you choose red?
Because I saw the armchair is red. Then I choose the
Wow.
key red.
Yes, that is reasonable, Dolan. So let's see if red is your lucky number for this. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, 3 points again. Okay, now look, what's this?
The bat.
Very good. Now, which color of key would you like to choose to open the door?
Blue.
Wow. Okay, so that is -1 point. So you've got 6 minus 1. How many points do you have left?
5.
Great. So you've got 5 points and one happy star, Dolan. So, Dolan, it's already time. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, thank you so much for joining our class, Dolan. Enjoy playing piano and have a great weekend. Bye bye, Dolan. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye.